Well, I finally got a tripod. Shoot it. Anyway, let's see what kind of stuff I brought today. I have this Crockpot that was found in the tote. Kerg K Mini expired stuff, and some Axe thing, and some carpet cleaning solution, which I don't really recommend using this stuff. Use Zap. But anyway, let's have some fun.
You were damaged into the TV already.
Oh my gosh. Does the TV even turn on, or you don't have the... Oh yeah, it's on, I see it.
Another TV, my mom was using it, but it got really dim over the years.
Light's going out. That means the light's going out, or bad capacitor. Which, I mean, yeah, you could fix it with a capacitor replaced, but yeah, with how many... I mean, with how those TVs are laid out, I mean, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, let's, Oh, hold on, I wanna try spraying it with that. Let's make the dent smell nice with some... Let's make the dent smell nice with some body spray. There you go. Yep, we still have the microwave. It still works. I don't know if it still works, but we'll find out when we mess with it.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Made a little nice white sheet right there.
Yeah.
Let's I'm just gonna lightly tap this. I'm just gonna lightly tap it like this. There you go. See what it did. Oh my gosh, it put a dent in the grass. Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Not walking anymore.
Oh yeah, I think I killed the backlight. Was this powered by fluorescent tubes, or was it just LEDs?
I think it was LED.
Yeah, it probably struck the power supply. Oh dang. Look at that. I could faint. Oh yeah, it's still on. Like the screen's on. It's just very, very, very faint. Yeah. Like you said, like the light's so dim you can hardly see it. Anyway, let's see if this. Want to microwave that.
TV down gently.
That's a pretty gentle. Oh yeah, you can donate that. Yeah, that's pretty gently. Now my turn to set it down gently. Now let's try it the other end. Now let's pour some carpet cleaning solution on it. There you go.
Clean enough and ready to donate to Goodwill.
Yeah, there we go. Just clean the stain up.
Ready to donate to Goodwill, where they'll probably sell it for $30.
Yeah, I remember when Goodwill had a whole display of tube TVs.
Yeah, we don't sell those.
I mean, yeah, there's still some good thrift stores that sell that stuff. You have to dig around for it now. Okay, time for the microwave. Okay, microwaving time. I'm starting to get hungry. I didn't eat any breakfast this morning.
Neither did I.
Let's make some body. Oh my god. Let's make some body spray for breakfast. I'm not gonna run. Read the display. I can't really read the display that well. Yep, it's done. Well, that did nothing.
Doing a microwave the Crockpot?
Let's test the Crockpot first. Yeah. But first I want to microwave, let's put some carpet cleaning solution on it.
Yeah. Get the can out of there.
1 minute. Oh, my hand smells nice. Yeah, that carpet cleaning solution makes my carpet smell musty. Oh wow, look at that. It made it all milky, even though the stuff is designed to. Let's pour it in here. And let's have fun with the Crockpot.
Yeah. The light doesn't come on.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Oh no, that's because it's turned off.
Well, I turned it on.
Oh, it does. Oh, it turned it on.
Yeah. So this Crockpot is dead.
So let's microwave it.
You know, if you microwave a metal can like that for too long, it can turn radioactive.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
There's a way we can just put it out there while it's still turned on, but yeah, pizza. There you go. I can see the thing literally starting to melt. Yeah, I can hear it. The transformer's going. It's struggling. Oh my gosh. Well, the knob melted. The knob melted off. I don't think that's gonna work anymore.
No.
Anyway, let's wanna smash it. I am having way too much fun with that microwave. And it's now my gloves are all soapy. Okay.
I don't want to break this part because that'll be a big mess.
Then toss it then. That is, oh my gosh, that is so fragile. Like I didn't even throw it on the ground that hard, and the thing's already starting to bend. Not much effort at all, and oh my gosh. Okay, my turn considering how weak that is. Let's flip it on the other side. Let's see how the other side, oh yeah. That's it. That's it. Doesn't even take that much effort. Look at that. I'm sure you could probably still cook food with this. Now let's sell it on eBay for 10 grand. Okay, now we have this Kerg K Mini, or Kerg K Mini, whatever the heck those darn things called, melted knob. But yeah, let's test it. How do I know if this thing even works?
Well, that was a light there. It should come on, and it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Maybe you have to have the tank on for it to work.
Yeah. That's too bad.
Let's microwave it and then smash it. It doesn't fit.
Let me gently set it down.
Oh, dang. Hey, look, we got the little, let's see what's inside. Yeah. I wonder if that, yeah, because one of those is actually, there's a water pump, there's 2 pumps on it.
Yeah.
And that must be where, I don't know.
I think I want to smash it inside the garbage can.
Okay, your turn with the coffee pot. Yep, this looks like you're making a stew in a trunk.
Yeah. It's strong.
Oh yeah, what, the plastic? thing, if I had my power supply on me, I'd be able to get those motors out and mess with them. The motors still work, it's just the circuit board that's dead.
Yeah.
Want me to try?
Yeah.
Okay. My turn to still learning how to use this darn thing. I just used it for time lapses. You're right of this. Oh. You're right of this. Wrong. Oh, don't want to be throwing that away.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna finish off the TV. There you go. Now my turn, or want to get the screen out?
Get the screen out so it doesn't end up all over the yard.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Polaroid, you should have stuck the cameras.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Polaroid. I don't know. Is Polaroid still around?
Only as a name.
I know Kodak is still around. They're surprisingly still making film.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Oh, I got the speaker. I am causing a racket.
In this garbage can, this amplifies the sound.
Yeah, my hearing is going to be deaf after this. Your mom's calling and wonder what the heck is going on. Oh, okay, I think it's done for.
Yeah.
This thing has been sitting in the rain since January? Was that when we last were here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was February. Well, then again, I don't really upload as much in the winter. And plus, I was waiting on a new tripod so I can continue random teardowns anyway. Okay.
Inside that thing, we can microwave.
Oh yeah. Let's it melted. Okay, we have one more thing to microwave. That circuit board that went to an ice machine. Yeah, it's rolling. You know that microwave door isn't even closed all the way. It's like slightly open on one end.
Yeah, so it must be leaking.
I wonder, do you ever think of driving the car any since you have your permit?
I would, but it's a kind of a thing. It's
a manual?
Yeah, and it's a really difficult one up there.
When you took the permit test, did you take like a practice test or did you just wing it?
I just winged it.
And how many and the questions weren't that hard at all? You just...
No.
Oh.
Shit.
It's gonna pop on me. It was just capacitors.
It has a sensor on it, but senses the moisture.
Huh. Well, like putting on pizza. We're baking pizza.
Yeah. It's a circuit board pizza.
It seems like the fan's like going up and down, so maybe it's Looks like something's leaking out of the microwave. Or that's just, I don't know, maybe that's just the, oh no, that's the liquid I dumped all over the place. That did nothing. Okay, well, this glove's done for. Popcorn. Yeah, just put the glove in there, just put popcorn option. Yeah, I'm right with popcorn, alright. Hey, it's on fire. Beverage. I'm just trying all the options, seeing what they do.
Maybe upload once every couple of years.
I don't even think they're by run. They look like, don't even like they're run by the same people. Okay. Is it still on? Yeah, it's one way to put it out. Yeah, that microwave needs a good wash down anyway.
Yeah.
I gotta give it a good spray. Like just to get all that gunk out of there. Yeah, put it on spray mode and just spray it because it needs a little wash. And it's still turned on. I'm curious what would happen if you spray a microwave with water while it's still running. If we buy another one, we could probably try it with this. And we just made a mud puddle. Let's see the damage. My glove, I don't think I can wear that anymore. It's solid. Like the thing hardened. This... Oh, my. What the heck is that? Weird metal... I don't know what that is. Hey, I see some chips in there. Like little silicone chips.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't think that's Ugh. Ugh. Wow. Anyway.